When it comes to enhancing both the beauty and functionality of your home, few upgrades make as much impact as bay windows. Known for their elegant design and practical benefits, bay windows are a popular choice among homeowners looking to improve their living spaces. If you're considering an upgrade, here are the top benefits of installing bay windows in Fort Worth properties. One of the most noticeable advantages of bay windows is the increase in natural light. Because they extend outward from the home and feature multiple glass panels, bay windows allow sunlight to enter from different angles. This brightens up your interior spaces, making rooms feel larger, more open, and more inviting. In Fort Worth, where sunny days are common, this added light can transform the atmosphere of your home. Another key benefit is the additional space bay windows create. Unlike flat windows, bay windows project outward, forming a small nook inside your home. This extra space can be used in a variety of ways, whether as a cozy reading corner, a seating area, or even additional storage. Homeowners in Fort Worth often appreciate this feature as it adds both charm and functionality without requiring a full renovation. Bay windows also significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Their unique architectural design adds depth and character to the exterior, making your property stand out in the neighborhood. Whether your home has a traditional or modern style, bay windows can complement and elevate its overall appearance. This visual upgrade can be especially beneficial if you're thinking about selling your home in the future. In addition to aesthetics, bay windows can increase your home's overall value. Potential buyers are often drawn to features that provide both beauty and practicality, and bay windows check both boxes. The combination of added space, improved lighting, and enhanced design makes your property more attractive on the market, potentially leading to a higher resale value. Energy efficiency is another important advantage. Modern bay windows are designed with advanced materials that help regulate indoor temperatures. With proper installation, they can reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during Fort Worth's hot summers and warmer during cooler months. This improved insulation can help lower your energy bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Ventilation is another area where bay windows excel. Many bay window designs include operable side panels, allowing you to open them and let fresh air circulate throughout your home. This improved airflow is particularly beneficial in Fort Worth, where good ventilation can help reduce indoor humidity and keep your home feeling fresh. Bay windows also offer better views of the outdoors. Their angled design provides a wider field of vision compared to standard windows, allowing you to enjoy more of your surroundings. Whether you have a landscaped yard, a quiet street, or a scenic view, bay windows help bring the outside in, enhancing your overall living experience. Another advantage is the versatility in design. Bay windows come in various styles, sizes, and materials, allowing you to customize them to fit your home's aesthetic and your personal preferences. From classic wood finishes to sleek modern frames, there are countless options to choose from, ensuring your new windows align perfectly with your vision. Comfort is also greatly improved with bay windows. The added sunlight and space create a warm, inviting environment that can be enjoyed year-round. Many homeowners in Fort Worth find that bay windows quickly become a favorite feature in their homes, providing a relaxing spot to unwind or spend time with family. Finally, bay windows are a long-term investment. With durable materials and professional installation, they are built to last and require minimal maintenance. This means you can enjoy their benefits for years to come without worrying about frequent repairs or replacements. In the end, installing bay windows in your Fort Worth property offers a wide range of benefits, from increased natural light and added space to improved energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal. If you're looking for a way to upgrade your home while adding lasting value, bay windows are a smart and rewarding choice.